Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The topic of this video is Beginner's Guide to Personal Finance. In this video, I will be walking you through the basics of budgeting and saving money so that you can take control of your finances. Whether you are starting fresh or looking for simple tips, this guide is perfect for you. This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping, the ultimate app for all your daily needs and favorite products at amazing prices. Shop conveniently from your phone and save big. Please find the app link in the description and start your smart shopping journey now. Budgeting is the foundation of personal finance. It gives you control over your money, helps you achieve financial goals like saving for a car or vacation, and reduces stress by ensuring that you are prepared for unexpected expenses. The first step to budgeting is understanding where your money comes from and where it goes. Track your income and list all your expenses, including rent, bills, and entertainment. Tools like budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets can make this process easier. Next, categorize your expenses. Separate fixed costs like rent from variable costs like groceries. Don't forget discretionary spending like eating out. This helps you see where your money goes and identify areas to cut back if needed. Once you understand your expenses, set a budget plan. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Ad- Adjust these percentages based on your goals. One of the most important steps in personal finance is building an emergency fund. Start by saving $1,000, then work towards 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep this money in a high yield savings account for easy access and better growth. To stay financially healthy, avoid unnecessary debt and focus on paying off high interest loans like credit card balances. Planning for big expenses in advance, like holidays or car repairs, can also keep you out of debt. Here are a few extra tips to maximize your savings. Cook at home instead of eating out. Cancel subscriptions you don't use and always shop with a list to avoid impulse purchases. These small changes can add up over time. Now let us recap. Track your finances, set a budget, save for emergencies, and manage debt wisely. Personal finance is a journey, so take it one step at a time. The key is to stay consistent and keep your financial goals in mind. Thank you for watching this video. Start your personal finance journey today. Every small step counts. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more tips on budgeting, saving, and financial success. I'll see you in the next video.